Okay, this is the finished living room. Beautifully, beautifully, beautifully staged by Ascent Staging Company and Richard. And this is the dining room. It looks so pretty. Large. We have the little doggy gate up. There you go. Super beautiful. Then sliding glass doors that lead out back. Over a third of an acre. Gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. Okay. Beautiful. Whoop. Family room. Little backyard area. All staged and organized. Big backyard. Okay. This is what happens when you use a staging company. Pretty, huh? Gorgeous. And we'll trounce up here. Here we go. Beautiful, gorgeous fireplace. Okay. And I have my stars on today. So here we go. Mask up. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to physically distant and socially connected. This room looks really, really good. This is the big giant bonus room. Check this out. So this is cool. Great office space. It's so big you could actually put in here a workout room. See if I can show you from this perspective. Very cool. Love this room. It turned out really, really nice. Another bathroom, butterflies, and 2 more bedrooms. Cool, cool.